Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss a very common interview question which is repeatedly asked in the interview, and this question is basically for the data analyst and data engineering profile. Even data scientist profile also this type of the question asking because this is the question is related to handle the null value. So the question is, what is the difference between the collapse and is null function? What situation you will use the collapse function, and what situation you will use the is null function? Because in the while cleaning the data in the data profile, eliminating the null value or handling the null value is very important in the business use cases or real time scenario. So I will discuss in the detail. Okay, so if you new to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button, and you can also enroll the courses if you want to enroll and learn the SQL. I prepared complete interview question for the experience. This is for the experience, and this is for the fresher. If you want to enroll on the recorded classes, you can enroll on this one, and you can download all the material which I discussed in the video under this courses. This is the free of cost, and you can just enroll and you can download. So let's start with this question. What is the difference between the collapse and the is null function? So to understand this two very important function, I'm going to create two table. You can download this table and you can install in our database. Okay, so I have one table is the employee table, and the second table is the employee salary table, and both table I'm creating in this database. So you can see this table, we have two table, employee salary and employee table. Okay, so let me copy these two table in different window. Okay, so you will understand better way. Okay, so I'm closing this one. So I have two table, employee table, we have same employee ID, and you can see we have first name, last name, and some employee information, first name is available in employee table, and some information available in the salary table. And salary table, you can see Kevin is available, David is available, but is not available in the employee table. So you need to be handle this null value. Okay, so what is the first understand what is the is null function. So the theoretically definition of the is null function, if you attend the interview and they simply ask what is the is null function, then you need to be answer that the is null function is used to replace null value with the specific replacement. So okay, so is null function basically used to replace the null value with the a specific replacement. What is the meaning of the specific replacement? So if you want to suppose, if you want to display the data, like I have one real time table, like for example, suppose I have one dim employee table or dim customer table. Okay, so in dim customer table, you can see we have title is null is coming, middle name is null is coming. So if you have sent this report to anyone, like you sending the middle name, so middle name, if null is coming, so some data set or the some value it's showing not in good way, so you need to be replaced with some NA or unknown. So you can use the is null function. So that is the same is saying that we need to be replaced with the specific replacement. So how you can replace? So you need to be use the you need to use the is null function. So I will show you in this table only. Okay, so you can see is null function, I'm putting the in place of the first name, I'm putting the middle name. So I want to display the middle name which all the value null is there, so it will be show a specific NA. So now you can see, and you can see give the some meaningful name, like as new middle name, something like that. Okay, because we already have the middle name, or you can also give the middle name. Okay, so now you can see whatever the middle name have the null value, you can see data is showing NA. Okay, you can also replace in the table, because if you want to update the table with the NA, you can also hit the update button, or in place of the NA, if you write some specific word like unknown, so you can also write the unknown, not available, something like that. Okay, so you can see all the unknown value is showing when the null value is there. So same definition is also saying the original function is used to replace null value with the specific replacement value. This function contain only two argument. Okay, so only one first and second. This is contain only two argument. Okay, now coming to the collapse function. Collapse function is saying that collapse function return the first not non null value. Okay, what is the meaning of non null value? Means and this doesn't have any limit of the argument. Okay, so now if you use the collapse function, so if the first name is null, then they will replace the they will show the unknown. Okay, so if you execute this table, okay, so you can see this is the null value, but this is the same like is null. So what is the difference? So main difference is if you pass the multiple argument. So I have two table. I already created employee table and the employee salary table. So the requirement is if the first name is not available in employee table, you need to be populate data from the employee salary table. Okay, this question is also asked many time in the interview. If the first name is not available in the employee table, data need to be picked from the second table. Okay, so you need to use the collapse function. So collapse function, you can use the first name and the last name. I joined two table. Okay, you can see I joined two table. So if the first name is null, the data will be picked from the salary table. If both are null, then the data will be populate unknown. Okay, so I put it the first name and the first name from the both table. So if you run this code, so you will have the better understanding. Okay, output let me put this 2 in this first, so you will be better understanding. Okay, now I am putting employee ID, first name, last name, and then so if you run this code, okay, now you can see this null value is this value is coming, this is a new value. Okay, new first name. Okay, so new first name is coming when they got the first non null value. So this value is coming from Kevin David. So if you have the, because if you Kevin David is the not available in this table, they will picking from this table, and both the value is null, then they will show the unknown. So this is the key difference. If you have other table also, if you want to join with the other table, they also have the first name, then they will pick up from the next argument. So we don't have any limit of the argument. You can pass as many you want, or as many you table use in the replacement. So this is the beauty of the collapse function. So that is the reason very frequently we will always use in the real time situation, and that is the reason they will ask always you in the interview. So I hope you understand the key difference between collapse and original function. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the video comment. And my next assignment I am putting you that you can tell me the what is the key difference between store procedure versus function, and you can write down the difference, and you can paste in the video comment. Thank you so much.